Stamps or stencils are a great way to bring intricate patterns onto clay. Here, this design is for the pendant. A noodle strip is placed around to give clean, rounded edges, and for sure, it provides a visual appeal. A disc made with the help of a bottle cap makes the loop to hang the pendant for later. On an evenly flat sheet of clay, make discs using the bottle cap to obtain beads of the same size. Roll the remaining clay into a cane and cut it to give long beads of the same length. Round off the edges with your fingers and finally hold the beads with a barbecue stick. Once dried, paint the beads and pendant with your desired acrylic colors. Gold or copper paint can be partially rubbed on the jewellery to give an antique finish.